Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. A lot of times when I take a trip to some amazing place like Yellowstone National Park, it seems that I'm on the go taking photographs 24 hours a day. I'm up before sunrise photographing the geyser basins and the waterfalls long before most people ever get up. And now that I've gotten into night photography, it seems that I'm out all hours of the night as well. Some days it seems like I don't get any rest when I'm out taking photographs at places like that. But a lot of times when I'm at home, it's hard to find the momentum or the encouragement to go out and photograph, especially when it's places that I've gone to year after year after year. I think you almost get a sense of complacency, and oftentimes I'll take a look outside or look at the radar and see that it's going to be cloudy or something like that. And it's like, we'll wait till tomorrow and we'll go out. But then tomorrow it's something else, and the next day it's something else. And eventually you find one of the most difficult things in your photography is making it off the couch and into your vehicle to get out someplace to photograph. I need to challenge myself somehow in order to get that encouragement and that momentum back to get out even in local locations and discover new things. So recently I discovered this book, 52 Landscape Photography Assignments. Now what this book is obviously a series of 52 landscape photography assignments, but it encourages you to get out and start taking images, whether it's someplace epic like Yellowstone or if it's your local nature center that you've visited for the last 30 years and know it like the back of your hand. So I've picked up this book and I used a random number generator to generate a number between 1 and 52, and the number that was generated, I went and chose that assignment, and I'm going to go out in another video show you what that assignment was all about and the results that I obtained. Some of the assignments are something that I can't do right away. Like one of the assignments is about snow. Obviously we're quickly approaching June, so there's probably not a chance that I will be able to do an assignment based on snow. But this is Iowa, so you never know. Could be 4th of July and we have a blizzard here. You just don't know. If you'd like to pick up a copy of this book on your own and try some of the assignments in it, I'll put a link down below in the description. So I hope you stay tuned and find out what my first assignment is going to be, how I tackle it, and what the results are. I'm Kevin J. Railsback from Nature Photo Studios. Get out there and get some shooting done.